In today's video, we are going to show you how to sign in into Google Merchant Center. Let's begin. Now, to do this, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is open the web browser and go to the Google Merchant Center. Type in here, press enter, and you would be forwarded maybe around on the Google Merchant Center. All right, for example, this. Click that, and you would be forwarded to this section. All right. All we have to do now is click the sign in button. Matter of fact, if you're already a customer here in Google, you might want to sign in to Merchant Center. You can also sign into ads and sign into Manufacturer Center. But in our case, I'm going to click this button. You would be forwarded here. All you have to do is enter the email or phone number that is associated to your Google Merchant Center. Now, the thing is, if you forgot your password by any chance, your email, just click this option right here. And you just have to enter the phone number or email that is associated to your account. All right. Now, having said all of that, all right, if by any chance you haven't had the opportunity to create your account here in Google Merchant Center, click the create an account. All right. You can use any of the following options. You can use for a personal use. Matter of fact, for work or business, you will be forwarded here wherein you can choose the email that is best for your business. All right. You can use a professional email such as at thiscompany.com or Gmail address just for you. All right. No cost. This will in turn will help you to sign in into your Google Merchant Center. All right. For example, to get an email address right here, just put it your first name. Click on next and just have to follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've done that, you should be able to access your Google account Merchant Center without any problem. As you can see, you can from here, once you have access to the platform, you might want to use some of the tools that is here, like the products, shippings and returns, business info, store quality. You can also go for the marketing tab wherein you have the free listings option. You can sell, you can appear at no cost for you. You can show your products. You can start your first ad campaigns. You have the analytics and the summary performance. Basically, this is going to be the Merchant Center dashboard where you can manage a lot of things: product feeds, view account settings, and track performance. Right here on the upper right corner, you can access other data sources, people and access, apps and services, email archive, and personal preferences. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.